Evaluation of agronomic, economic, and quality traits in 2 canola, Brassica napus L. Genotypes under varied organic and inorganic fertility levels in climate change scenario of Dera Ismail Khan, Pakistan. By Iqtidar Hussain, Agnes Jahra, Farooq Abbas. Syed Anis Ali Shah, Ehtesham ul Haq. Zuhair Hasnan, Muhammad Jawad Nazir. And Muhammad Inam Ullah Kesrani. Canola, Brassica napus L, is an important edible oilseed crop in the world and Pakistan. It has a healthy vegetable oil because of its balance with omega-369 essential fatty acids, making canola oil a healthy vegetable oil throughout the world for the cooking and processed food industry. Nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, NPK, are some of the major nutrients required to significantly increase canola yield. A high-yielding canola production needs a well-balanced fertilization program. In Pakistan, the production of all seed crops with their nutrition values could not be enhanced in accordance with domestic edible oil needs. Canola is consumed as vegetables and its edible oil is used for cooking. The agronomic and nutritional values of vegetable oils are dependent on the nature of fertilizers that are added to the soil. An experiment was launched to check the impact of various fertilizer combinations on 2 canola varieties at the Agronomic Research Area of Gomal University, Dera Ismail Khan, Pakistan. RCBD with a split plot arrangement, having 3 replicates were used for the study. Park canola, hybrid, and Faisal canola, open-pollinated cultivars were kept in main plots, whereas various fertilizers NPK, 120, 60, 60 kg Ha1. Rustam Organo, 125 kg Ha1, BioCare, 125 kg Ha1, HRCare, 125 kg Ha1, Fertisource, 125 kg Ha1, NPK plus Rustam Organo, NPK plus BioCare, NPK plus HRCare, NPK plus Fertisource and Control, no fertilizer used, were assigned to subplots. The yield and yield components of canola were significantly affected by using different fertilizers and varieties. Grain yield and its components were found to be maximum in Park hybrid canola with NPK applied at 120, 60, 60 kg Ha1. Use of organic manure, Fertisource plus half NPK, 60 hours 30 minutes and 30 seconds, kg Ha1. With Park hybrid produced statistically at par results in comparison of inorganic manure. Data also demonstrated that the balanced fertilizer application of NPK, either organic or inorganic, ensures good quality proteins and high values of linoleic acids such as alpha-linoleic acid and gamma-linolenic acid in canola oil content. In conclusion, this experiment also showed that the application of organic manures had a significant impact on canola nutrition, canola yield and soil health by increasing organic matter in the soil. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.